Health is an interesting term. And in the Warrior movie, all three of these main characters, all adult men, a father and two adult children, are abusing their bodies in a number of ways, abusing their lives in a number of ways. And since Dad was a fight trainer in his younger days, and both boys are involved in fighting, the movie centers around their athleticism, which is critical. But we in this world don't take care of our bodies either. We are hungry, so we eat junk food. We are tired, but we can't sleep. What is your plan in your family to get your body to a healthy state so that when disease and pandemics come along, you can fight them naturally with the strength of your own immune system? I'd love to hear your stories. Be sure to like, comment, and share.